Ayan, ganito siya. Pag gusto naming lumabas, ayan, palalabasin ko siya. Hindi siya mapakali. As in talagang, Diyos ko, ewan. Ewan ko sa asong to. Ayan, lalabas muna kami. Come on now, let's go. Kasi, ayan, it's time for her to a little bit sunshine. Kasi magandang weather ngayon. So, ayan, lalabas ko muna siya. Ayan, hindi siya mapakali talaga. Ganyan siya. Come on, let's go, let's go. Hindi siya mapakali. Ayan, ihina pala siya, kaya pala hindi siya mapakali. Ayan. Come on now, let's go. Tayo. Lakad-lakad tayo. A little bit walk for your exercise. Ganyan lang po ang buhay ko dito sa UK. Ayan. Ay nako, ganito po ang aming paligid dito. Kung magmadali, don't rush, maybe car will hit you. Slow. Ayan, may nakasalubong siya. Hello buddy. Oh. Hello. Wait, don't run. Hello. Ayan, nakita niya aso niya. Friend, hello, how are you? You excited to see your friend? Hi. Is she a girl or boy?
Boy.
Boy. Oh, girl.
Father?
Yeah, your friend. How old is he?
2 years.
2. Oh, it's same. Like 1 year and going to 2 in September anyway. August, September, May. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you like it?
love me,
You
friends,
same
don't you?
age. The same age. Yeah.
What's your dog?
It's Jack Russell.
Jack Iranian.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
mix of Jack Russell and Pomeranian.
Yeah.
So it's a mix.
Spaniel Dachshund.
Yeah, it's so cute. They're the same color anyway. Brown. Yeah? Enjoy you see your friend. This is a big dog. Wow. Yeah.
He loves the dogs. He lets them tell him off when he does all that.
Saya be. Slow. Baka napakalandi mo, habulin mo yung napakalaking aso na yon. Ako, hindi mo kakayanin yun. Malaki yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, Pipi, hindi mo kakayanin yun. Napakaharap mo. Makaharap mo talaga, Pipi. Pag yun ang kinaya mo, ewan ko na lang talaga sa'yo. Bulldog yun. Wasak ka doon. Talaga Pipi ah. Central Station. Train station. At Central Station. Yeah, enjoy. Bye. See you a bit. Oh. See ya. Enjoy the day. Sausage dog. Yan ang mga sausage dog. Yeah. No. Can't. Iwan mo na kita dyan. Sige. Diyan ka lang. Diba? Enjoy ka ba, Pipi? Dami mo na nakasalubog ng mga kalaro mo.